What's up guys, Sammy here, and today I've got an unboxing and review of the Blue Raspberry microphone. It's a microphone aimed at mobile recording, but it works perfectly as a microphone with your PC or Mac. And it's something that's easy to carry along with you. So let's take a look inside the box. First we'll find the Blue Raspberry microphone, but before we dig into that, we'll find a box below containing some informational material, a soft suede carrying pouch, and a couple of cables. One is a lightning cable which you can use to connect to an iPhone or iPad. The second one is a USB cable for connecting the microphone to a PC or a Mac. The microphone can also be connected up to your Android device, but an OTG cable would be required and is not included in the box. So one thing right off the bat is in its design. It has a really nice combination of this red material on the front, and I'm going to say it's probably some sort of pleather material. And the microphone has a well-built structure in its grey design. It doesn't feel like a lot of cheap microphones out there on the market. When it's folded out, we can see that it features on the back a headphone port which you can use to hear your voice or use it as an audio interface. You've of course got that micro USB port on the back for connectivity. On the left side of the microphone, you've got a wheel for adjusting the audio volume for your headphones. On the right side, you've got a wheel to adjust the level for the microphone, and this also acts as a button so you can mute the microphone as well. You've got a couple of ways that you can have the microphone standing as well, including sitting flat or upright. Included in the box, you've also got a 1/4 inch mount thread, which is your standard camera mounting thread. Let's now check out what the Blue Raspberry microphone sounds like, and as a base of comparison, I'm using my Audio-Technica AT2035 connected via XLR to the PreSonus AudioBox 44 VSL mixer via USB to my PC, which is currently what I'm using to record the audio for this video. Now, this is the audio coming from the Blue Raspberry microphone through USB to my PC. One thing to note is Blue's patent-pending internal acoustic diffuser, which supposedly diffuses noise and sound reflections and prevents distortion, which in my opinion, it does a really good job of, to even go as far as sounding possibly better than my AT2035. So this is what it sounds like on the iPhone 6s Plus with the built-in microphone as a base of comparison. Now switching to the Blue Raspberry microphone connected to the iPhone 6s Plus via the lightning cable, as we can hear it gives off a really nice professional sound. So to sum up my thoughts, I think the Blue Raspberry microphone would be perfect for anyone wanting to record a podcast on the go or for voiceovers from your PC or Mac. The microphone is well built and provides that internal acoustic diffuser which focuses on your voice and instruments for that impressive sound. The Blue Raspberry microphone comes in at $329.95 Australian dollars or $199 US dollars, and for its price you're getting a really good quality microphone, but it is on the pricey side, so it'll come down to if it's worth it to you. But that's going to wrap it up for this unboxing and review of the Blue Raspberry microphone. Let me know your thoughts in the comments below and what you think of this microphone. A special thanks as well to Blue Microphones who sent out the Raspberry for review. Please note that all the opinions in this video are my own and nobody saw the video before it was published. Anyways, thanks for watching. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a like and subscribe for more. But yeah, hope you guys have an awesome day and I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.